Hello everyone and welcome to the Talent 500 YouTube channel. Today we have an intriguing topic to delve into, Global Capability Centers or GCCs. We have been hearing a lot about GCCs all over the news and online. So what exactly are Global Capability Centers and how have they evolved over time? Let's explore this together. Significance of global capability centers, we need to take a trip back in time. Back in the late 20th century, as the world started shrinking thanks to globalization, businesses found themselves dealing with more complex operations than ever before. That's when the idea of global capability centers or GCCs popped up. As businesses evolved, they started recognizing something crucial. They saw the importance of having several hubs in place, each one capable of handling important tasks. This was all about making sure that everything runs smoothly and didn't break the bank. Early on, these centers were set up to handle the domains like IT, finance, and customer support. This allowed companies to make the most of specialized skills, streamline processes, and access talent from all over the world. Over the years, the role and scope of global capability centers have grown significantly, becoming integral to the global business landscape. And today, GCCs are a total game changers in the corporate world. Let's dive into what's happening with GCCs right now, especially in India. India is fast on its track to become the go-to country as a hub for global capability centers, as ever-increasing number of multinational companies are setting up shop in the country. With lot of skilled professionals, affordable operations and strong infrastructure, India is perfect for setting up GCCs. Many companies have set up global capability centers in India and found great success. This shows that India can offer top-notch services in many different areas. Now that we understand the history and the current landscape, let's explore the benefits of global capability centers. For multinational companies, GCCs are super important for business growth. They help cut costs, give access to special skills, and manage risk better. Overall, they make company work better in the global market. From unlocking various means for innovation and speeding up digital transformation, leveraging GCCs offers a wide range of benefits. It's evident that these centers aren't just for outsourcing. They are crucial assets that fuel business expansion. As we conclude our look into global capability centers, it's clear that they have grown from experimental beginnings to crucial part of a company's global strategy. So whether you are a business leader aiming to grow your operations or someone keen on global business dynamics, grasping the significance of GCCs is crucial. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Also, if you want to find a great suitable job at one of these amazing GCCs, head over to talent500.co. Until next time, stay inspired, stay bold.